Hi, here's how you can improve your English and Filipino Tagalog language with your child or your friends. You can try reading excerpts from certain books in both English and Filipino. For example, here's an excerpt from the book Eight Muses of the Fall by Edgar Calabia Samar. I'll just read to you the starting paragraph in English. A few moments before the young man pushed him off the cliff, Daniel remembered when he was 5, the first time he was led astray by the Tiyanak, child trickster of the woods. Nestled between the roots of a calamyas tree, his neck sticky with sweat, he promised himself he'd never go out to play again once the sun had set. It was almost midnight when his Uncle Tony found him, still snuggling up to the roots, dirty and grimy and with eyes wide, staring at the darkness. It's probably almost midnight here too, Daniel thought to himself, as the young man's hands dug onto his side, pushing him off the cliff. He considered fighting back, but he had already lost his balance. It was only when he was sure that there would be no escaping the fall that Daniel felt a sense of loss, of regret. Why now, he thought, why did he have to die now, when finally he had a story to tell? At ito naman yung Filipino version mula sa Walong Diwata ng Pagkahulog ni Edgar Calabia Samar. Ilang saglit bago siya itinulak ng binatilyo sa bangin, naalala ni Daniel noong 5 taong gulang siya at iniligaw ng tiyanak sa unang pagkakataon. Nakasiksik siya sa pagitan ng mga nakausling ugat ng kalamyas, nanlalagkit sa pawis ang leeg at nangangako sa sariling hindi na talaga siya makikipaglaro basta't lumubog na ang araw. Maghahating gabi na nang matagpuan siya ng Tito Tony niya. Nakasiksik pa rin siya sa pagitan ng mga ugat ng kalamyas, naglibag na ang pawis sa leeg at nakamulagat sa dilim. Maghahating gabi na rin siguro, naisip ni Daniel, kasabay ng pagpuwersa ng mga kamay at braso ng binatilyo sa tagiliran niya upang itulak siya sa bangin. Susubukan sana niyang lumaban, pero nawalan na siya ng balanse. Nang matiyak niyang mahuhulog siya, saka nakaramdam ng panghihinayang si Daniel kung bakit ngayon pa siya mamamatay kung kailan mayroon na siyang totoong kwento. So there, may this inspire you to go ahead and look for the book Walong Diwata ng Pagkahulog ni Edgar Calabia Samar or Eight Muses of the Fall. And happy reading and happy learning both English and Filipino with your child or even with your friends. Bye.